The Hydro Nozzle has recently gained attention for its promise to turn any standard garden hose into a high-pressure power washer. Marketed as the ultimate 2-in-1 power washing nozzle, it claims to offer a powerful cleaning solution with minimal effort. But does it really live up to the hype? And more importantly, is HydroNozzle.com a trustworthy place to buy it? What is the Hydro Nozzle? The Hydro Nozzle is designed to boost your water pressure by up to 5 times, giving you stronger, faster, cleaning power right from your hose. It features 2 spray modes: jet mode for focused, high-pressure cleaning of tough stains, fan mode for wide-area spraying, ideal for rinsing and general use. The nozzle is built from rust-resistant, lightweight materials with a comfortable anti-slip handle. It's advertised as durable, portable, and water-efficient, making it great for cleaning driveways, vehicles, patios, and windows, without needing a large pressure washer. Does it really work? Based on reviews, the Hydro Nozzle performs well for light to medium cleaning tasks. According to Amazon customer feedback, it holds an average rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars from over 3,700 users. Most people report that it works well for washing cars, cleaning patio furniture, and handling everyday outdoor chores. However, it may not provide the professional-level power you'd expect from a dedicated pressure washer. Users with high expectations might find it underwhelming for tougher jobs like deep cleaning concrete or removing old stains. Is HydroNozzle.com legit or a scam? Here's where it gets tricky. While the Hydro Nozzle itself is a real product, some customers have raised red flags about HydroNozzle.com. There are complaints of delayed shipping, poor communication, no tracking information, issues with returns, or refunds because of these concerns. It's wise to be cautious when ordering from the official website. If you still want to try the product, buying through a trusted platform like Amazon may offer better protection and faster service. Final thoughts. The Hydro Nozzle is a legit tool that offers decent cleaning power for the price. But when it comes to HydroNozzle.com, buyer beware. It may be safer to purchase from a more reliable seller. Always check customer reviews and seller ratings before making your final decision.